Hello. Welcome to a new tutorial dedicated to the steps for activating dark mode on Viber. In this simple tutorial, we will guide you through the process of quickly and easily enabling dark mode on your Viber. Whether you are a new user or a longtime fan of this popular messaging application, follow our steps and transform your Viber platform experience. Let's get started. Open your Viber application. Click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, find the Settings option and click on it. Now, on the screen, you'll see options for adjusting Viber settings. Choose the Appearance option and enter it. Now, click on Dark. Great, your Viber application is now set to dark mode. If this video has helped you, click like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Love and take care of your family. Goodbye.